now we are going to sew the shell on top of the body, and basically what we're going to do is we are going to sew each one of the back loops available in the shell with one of the stitches in the last round of the body of the turtle. So I usually start from the back, and I do it like this. I insert the hook in this way. Okay, I pull, and now I will take the next stitch in the loop, and then I insert again in the next stitch, and then I take one of the loops and I insert the hook in the next stitch. Pay attention to pull very well, otherwise you won't be able to pull after this. So let's make another one inside here, and then inside another loop. Where was I? Here, and then the next loop, then here. Always pulling well from once in a while, and then again inside and here, inside and here, pull, inside. At this point it's easier if I work in this way. Here. I pull well, and now you see the body of the turtle is starting to take shape. Let me go on. So this and this. Okay, and now that we are very close to the end, we can start stuffing the body. just a bit, and then we go on sewing. So this, and always pull well. Okay, and now that I have still some space left, I will finish stuffing a little bit. Finish off. Okay, the last one is the hardest one, but okay, we can actually just do it. You know what? We can do it randomly this way. We put out, we put in again, and it will be fine. He won't notice the stitch here. And then we finish everything with a small knot. And then to hide this, you can hide it inside the body. So you insert your hook in the body and to do this way to hide the tail. And we are done. The little turtle is complete.